Creating an AE avatar for your YouTube videos is now easier than ever, thanks to free tools like Synthesia AI. With this platform, you can design and use professional-looking avatars that bring your content to life. No experience required. Let's walk through the simple steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the Synthesia AI website. Open your browser and go to synthesia.io. Synthesia is a cutting-edge platform that allows you to create realistic AI avatars that can deliver your scripts seamlessly. Step 2. Sign up for a free account. Click on the Start for Free button and register for a free account. You'll need to provide your email address, set a password, and verify your email to activate your account. Step 3. Choose your avatar. Once you've logged in, navigate to the avatar selection page. Synthesia offers a variety of pre-designed avatars that you can customize. Pick one that fits your YouTube channel's theme or audience. Step 4. Add your script. In the text input section, type or paste your video script. The AI avatar will use advanced text-to-speech technology to deliver the script in a professional and engaging manner. You can adjust the tone and language to suit your needs. Step 5. Customize background and style. Make your avatar videos stand out by selecting a background and style. Synthesia provides templates to make your content visually appealing. You can also add branding elements like logos or text overlays. Step 6. Export your video. Preview your video to ensure everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, export the video in high quality and download it for uploading to your YouTube channel. Conclusion. With Synthesia AI, you can create stunning AI avatar videos for YouTube without spending a dime. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and opens up a world of possibilities for your content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Start creating today. Thanks for watching.